Click on the link below to get price. The Samsung Galaxy S24 5G S921B/DS is a remarkable addition to Samsung's flagship lineup, boasting impressive specifications and features that cater to both tech enthusiasts and casual users. With 128GB of internal storage and 8GB of RAM, this smartphone delivers outstanding performance. The dual SIM capability is a significant plus for those who need to manage multiple numbers without carrying two devices, making it an ideal choice for business users or frequent travelers. The design of the Galaxy S24 is sleek and modern, featuring a glass back and aluminum frame that feels premium in hand. Its 6.2-inch Dynamic AMOLED display is a visual treat, with vibrant colors and deep blacks that make media consumption a joy. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and responsive touch, enhancing the overall user experience, especially during gaming or while navigating through apps. Performance-wise, the Galaxy S24 is powered by the latest Snapdragon processor, ensuring that it can handle multitasking and demanding applications with ease. Whether you're editing videos, playing graphics-intensive games, or streaming high-definition content, the device performs without lag or stutter. The 5G capability further enhances its appeal, providing ultra-fast internet speeds for seamless browsing and streaming. The camera system is another standout feature. The triple lens setup, including a high-resolution main sensor, a telephoto lens, and an ultra-wide lens, captures stunning photos in various lighting conditions. Night mode works remarkably well, allowing you to take clear pictures even in low light. The front-facing camera also delivers impressive selfies, making it a great choice for social media enthusiasts. Battery life is decent, with a full day of moderate use achievable on a single charge. The device supports fast charging, which is convenient for those on the go. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S24 5G offers a well-rounded package of performance, design, and features that make it a worthwhile investment for anyone in the market for a high-end smartphone.